People go think you're pregnant, you know.
Good morning, neighbors. It's a new day and I am in a different space today having my meetings, but it's the same routine today. A number of meetings and Paul is at home with the children. I miss them and I'm a little concerned because Leila is not feeling so well, and it's hard for me to be away knowing that she's not feeling well, and also knowing that Paul is at home with all the children, including one sick child. So I'm going to keep in touch with him throughout the course of the day, and hope that he's able to also have a productive day, because while all that is going on, he still has to work.
You doing? My poor babies, oh no. They're giving a lot of trouble, those are for them. Okay.
Since then, a little bit of an update. We've all become sick. So all 5 children, including Hannah, have the flu. I have symptoms of the flu. Paul has symptoms of the flu. And my mom, who helps us from time to time, has also picked up the flu. So Paul is actually at the doctor's office right now with Leila and Zahra. And we're getting Leila in particular checked out because she had a fever for a few days, and it was more than 3 days, and so we decided that we're not taking any chances. We just want the doctor to go and look her over and make sure that she's okay. But we're also taking the opportunity to just do their medicals for school. You guys would know that they're starting school in September, so we have to do the medical for the new school. So I'm hoping that everything is okay. But yeah, it's a challenge. So Leila came down, and we knew that it was going to be a matter of time before everybody eventually got sick. That's just how these things go. And with them starting school, this is to be expected, So yeah, as we did with the last one, we're going to ride out this one.
So my biggest challenge at the doctor's office was to get these 2 3-year-old girls to pee on demand like DirecTV. And of course I tried 4 times, 2 each of the girls, and no success. But alas, the moment we left the doctor's office, of course, this happens. You want to pee? You want to pee earlier, baby? We don't want you to pee. You can wait until we get home? Huh? You can wait? You can wait till you get home? Huh? Okay, good girl. You want to pee too? Sit that down.
doing, neighbors? Well, it is the final day of my week full of meetings. It is Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Yeah, I'm just happy that we're done for the week and I can just take it easy and relax because I'm super exhausted. It's been a long week, very productive week. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that I'm ungrateful for the opportunity to work, but yes, it's been a long week. So I'm looking forward to the opportunity to rest and relax with the family. How have y'all been doing? Good? Yeah. My household is still not so well, but mostly we're on the mend. If you can hear me, my voice is still a little bit hoarse, but I'm getting better with every passing day. Yeah, man, I drink up my feral compound this morning and make sure, say, you know, I'm good. And I've got my mask here, you know, trying to make sure I'm pushing through in a manner that is not putting other people at risk. Busy day at home as well as usual, but I'm hoping that we'll be able to get through it and make it to the end. So on the way home, I'm just gonna grab some takeout for dinner because I mean, heading into the weekend, long day, who has time to cook? That's my order? Yes. Yes. It says tamarind, but it's really saffron. So I'm going into the supermarket now to get some stuff for later.
Ice cream from base caravan.
Hello, sugar.
What's up? The week is done.
The week is done. How you feeling?
I don't feel good, I feel sick.
You feel sick?
Yeah. It feels funny. But babies are crying because they won't come outside, but about them, this look enough.
Yeah. It can, some of it can see it back. Hi there. Hey. Who is this? Hey. Hi, Sugar. What's that, Edie? Hi, sweetie. You were crying? You okay? Hi, darling. Hi, Zaza.
Hi.
You okay? Miss me? Okay. So, it's been a long day, but you saw all of that. So you know that something's about to go down, right? So, we have reason to celebrate. We'll eventually tell you why. Sorry to keep you guys in the dark, but yeah, it's been a long week. You know, it wasn't very smooth. We had some little issues. The children have not been well. Paul and I have not been well. But it was a successful mission that I had, a successful set of meetings. And it's Friday, so why not celebrate, you know? So we're going inside now to do that. So I just hope that you guys had a wonderful weekend. We are about to go enjoy yours, but by the time you see this, we would have already done all our eating and
So, my gosh.
it look woolly.
Look matted like a superstar. It's superstar look.
I was looking back at an old video of how it used to be.
Man, those days.
Those are the days. What's in the say, neighbors? Should he go back to
Cut it all
the
off.
trimming of the, you know, the all-in-one, or Do we
keep it
leave
growing.
this funky
Or I could just take off a little off
style?
the top. And
No, I wouldn't take off the top. I'd take off from the sides.
okay, so I will continue going up.
Yeah, I say yes. For a change, you know, you had the objective of giving it a different look. So a different look is good.
Alright, so big reveal next time what my trimming will be. See your nose running, baby?
Anyway.
Now it's time to eat. C for cheese, which is naan, cheese naan. Must be garlic
Maybe.
because this has
B is for
butter naan. You're going to need a plain rice.
plain rice. Rice, lots of rice, lots of rice.
And we have here,
Ooh yeah.
this is pork.
Sweet chili pork.
Sweet chili pork.
Singapore chicken. Yeah.
And in the freezer we have some ice cream. People will think you're pregnant, you know.
Is this a teaser?
Well, I don't know if people going to think that you're pregnant, but we're celebrating something that we can't tell you yet. But God is good and the testimony is coming. So that's a whole vibe to almost forgot. A bottle of Verdi Spumante. This is a lovely flavor. This was introduced to me by one of my past manager. And I think we drank it for a wedding or something.
Yes. Or anniversary, one out of the two.
Beautiful white wine. And we'll be having this. This is for after 9 o'clock when everybody else is gone to bed.
Yup.
And we just, hold a vibe and, chilling till the second morning. Lippity.
Listen, every day that I come home, right? I come home to house clean and dinner cook, right? Laundry done or folded and 4 little picnic bathe are going to be about to take their bath, right? And it's 4 sick picnic too.
Give me them things I don't know working.
No. I'm just making, plus him doing work. I'm just making the point that this is the degree. This is the treasure I've got. Babe, thank you so much. Thank you for your support this week.
They don't make them like me anymore.
Thank you for your support this week. Thank you for holding everything together.
You get to cry?
No, listen. I can't. I have the world's best husband. Just bottom line.
I'm your best husband.
Oh my God, no matter makes much noise. I have got the best husband I could possibly have been given. Mwah!
It's a family station. But yeah, it's a pleasure. I like when you come home and you feel right. So if the room
Thank you. I appreciate you so much.